So you already have seen your questions. You also have written your answers. Now we will check those answers. So here we go with question number 1. Fill in the blank. This one was very easy. The form of energy that produces a sensation of hearing in our ear is called sound. Am I right? This is a definition of a sound or explanation what sound is. Loudness is measured in decibel. This is about amplitude. So amplitude will be meter. Correct na? What spelling you have written? T-E-R or T-R-E? Both are correct.
T-R-E.
A dash is produced by a tuning fork. Answer is monotone. Any answer other than this is wrong. Any answer other than monotone will be wrong. Next one. Fourth wala. A dash is a wave in which vibration of the particle of the medium are in same direction as the direction of propagation of wave. Same direction means parallel. So longitudinal wave.
Longitudinal.
अभी आंसर मत सेंड करो. Longitudinal wave. Okay. So fourth answer is longitudinal. What is answer number 5? The region during the propagation of sound where air particles are spread apart. So answer is rarefaction. And where they are concentrated, where density is more, that is compression. That is called compression, right? Now here comes the true or false. First answer is true. Sounds are produced only because of vibration. If vibration stops, sound will also cease or stop, right? So this was true. Second answer is also true. It requires a material medium. Answer is yes. And sound cannot travel through vacuum. So this answer is also true. Eighth question. A high frequency will result in a higher pitch, resulting in a louder sound. False. Why it is false? Because frequency or pitch is not related to a louder sound. So higher amplitude, okay, higher amplitude will result in a louder sound, okay, will result in louder sound. Okay, or you can also say a high frequency will result in a higher pitch, resulting in a shrill sound or sharp sound, something like this.
So sir, both are correct.
Yes, both are correct. Both answers I will give you right. और अगर आप लोगों ने और कुछ भी लिखा होगा and when I correct the papers मुझे लगा right है तो I'll give you right. Don't worry about it. A high amplitude will result in a shriller sound. No, false. So what is a correct? A high amplitude will result in a louder sound.
Louder sound.
Shriller sound will be high pitch sound. Correct? So anything you can write. Any word you can change. Now last statement, 10th wala is true. Quality of a sound depend upon the waveform. So two different person and even two different musical sound have a different quality. So answer is true. Right? Now this is memorizing wala question. Here correct answer is A. 11th ka correct answer is A. Human range is 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Correct? 12th wala. Multiple choice question again. Which of the following is determined by the frequency of the vibration of sound? Frequency means pitch. So answer is B. Correct answer is B for 12. 13th wala. The amplitude of a sound, distance between a source and a listener and the surface area of a vibrating body affect which characteristics? Amplitude means loudness. And this is related to a question, what are the factors affecting the loudness of the sound? 14th wala answer. Which characteristics of a sound will allow us to distinguish between two sounds of a same pitch and same loudness? So quality of timbre, if it is different, you can distinguish between two sounds. Right na? 15th one. See, this is not lesson ka explanation. Already I have done that explanation. This only I am discussing right answers with you. The dashed instrument, percussion instrument or a membrane instrument. So then don't get confused with the word percussion. Or a membrane instrument like drum, tabla, dholak have a membrane whose tightness can be controlled by means of strings. From tabla, dholak, okay, drum, from that we come to know that correct answer is percussion or membrane instrument. Okay, now this is match the following. So 16th wala, compression is a high pressure area, F. Monotone is a single frequency sound, D. Loudness is intensity of vibrating source,
C.
C. Then pitch, this will be B, this is better option, and this should be A. So 19th is B and 20 is A.
Yes, sir.
So that was it. Now we go to next question, 21. Two waves are of same pitch. Same pitch means their frequencies are same. So ratio of their frequency, ratio of same number is 1:1. So first answer is 1:1. Now loudness, amplitude ka ratio 1:3. Loudness ka ratio is equal to square of amplitude. So amplitude ka square. So 1 ka square is to 3 ka square. This is 1:9.
1:9.
So first answer, 21st answer is 1:1 and 22nd answer is 1:9. Correct na?
Yes.
Then 23rd one, give reason. As I told you, use keywords. Now sound travels fastest through the solids and slowest in the gases. So keyword is density. Speed of a sound depends. So that is the density. Speed is directly proportional to its density. आप लोगों ने आंसर में अगर वर्ड इधर उधर किया होगा तो नो प्रॉब्लम, बट डेंसिटी इज अ की वर्ड विच आई वॉन्ट. इफ यू डोंट यूज दिस वर्ड डेंसिटी आई विल नॉट गिव मार्क. 24th वाला, हाउ इज द वेलोसिटी, फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड वेवलेंथ डिपेंड. सो वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू फ्रीक्वेंसी इंटू वेवलेंथ. डेरिवेशन वॉज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. Whenever they ask you a relation, they want a equation. So either write this or you can also write velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength. Relation means equation they want. पहले wavelength लिखा और बाद में frequency लिखा तो भी correct है, because multiplication follows the commutative law. Clear? बाकी आंसर नहीं चाहिए, derivation नहीं चाहिए, only relation चाहिए. Correct? Can we move ahead? And this is last and 25th question. If you look at two waves, which characteristic I can make out that their amplitudes are equal and their frequency is also equal. So how do they differ? They differ in quality or timbre. So this is the answer. You can type your score in the chat box or the comment box.